Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to be cooking on this new grill. This is the first video that we're recording at the barn. There's a lot of construction work going on, so if you hear some noise, that's what it is. I received my first new grill at the barn. It's the Ophir, and basically this is a big bowl of fire. We're going to fire up this grill and I'm going to tell you all about it. Firing up the grill is so easy. I'm just going to put in some kindle, stack it up. This is like a Jenga. Of course you don't need to stack it this high, but I like to do it for fun. We'll put the fire starters dead center, light it up. It's a wood fire grill, so we're building up first a small fire and then we're going to put our bigger blocks on top of that. I'm going to start with some smaller logs, and I've chosen beech because beech doesn't turn to ash first, it becomes embers and then burns for a long time. So what it does, it retains the heat inside of our grill. That's important. As you can see, we created a funnel of heat with the core in the center and the logs on the outside. The air is being sucked in and we almost get like a jet engine. This will create a lot of heat, and that's exactly what we need to get this fire going. While the fire is starting up, I got a lot of stuff for us to unbox. Told you I had a lot of stuff. Got a real nice Ophir book. I'm going to be giving that away to one of you guys because I already have one. I'll tell you at the end of the video how you can get it. Some Ophir gloves. Got an Ophir knife. I got an Ophir fork. No way. I got an Ophir pants. Seriously? A wood bag to put your logs in and carry them around. An oil can. Whoa, high quality. Set of planks for grilling. Haha, just what I needed. Whoa, look at this thing. This is awesome. I've never had this before. This is a blowpipe. You can use it to get your fire going. So there's like a rubber piece at the end here. And then you got your handle and you can help your fire getting started. Not that I have problems with that, but you never know. And a grip to hold your fire with. Rearrange the blocks of fire. That's kind of cool. Now before we are going to start cooking on this thing, I'm gonna clean it with my spatula. I'm gonna scrape off all the bits of old fat. Just make sure you keep adding those blocks. This is getting pretty hot now. Yeah, that's loud. They're doing a lot of construction work next door and I'm glad they do. The more noise they make, the more things are moving on, you know? It's like making me happy. Normally I hate it when people make noise around my videos, but this time, noise is good. We'll put a little bit of olive oil on our grilling surface. That's it. What do you think we were going to do?
I don't know, put the grill plate on it.
This is the cool thing, is that you get this light fire in the center and you're cooking around it with the plate here. This is basically it. This is the main thing. And now with a paper towel, I'm cleaning off the excess fat from the oil. And see how non-stick it is, how easy that moves. But at the same time, I'm cleaning it. Look at that. Morrison, are you hungry yet? We're gonna be cooking up a spicy salmon. And I got some beautiful Iberico. It's not pork, it's Iberico secreto. It's the same like saying Wagyu is beef. It is beef, but... So what I want to do is I want to feed some people and I want to have it all done the same time. So I'm just prepping it all and putting it on the grill. I got a beautiful side of salmon with the skin on, and I got the beautiful Iberico secreto with a lot of fat. We'll start with some salt and pepper on both of them. For the salmon, we'll slice fine a chili pepper. We'll put some lime zest on the salmon. The salmon is looking beautiful. For the Iberico, we're going to chop fine some garlic and some fresh oregano. With a little bit of olive oil, we're going to turn this into a puree. We'll put this on our Iberico secreto, just rub it in. This is going to provide us with a lot of flavor. I'm going to cut the Iberico up into a smaller size. This will give me a little bit more control over when we cook it. Now let's put the Iberico on the grill. Look at what a grilling surface. It's huge. I need more meat. Luckily we got the salmon. I'll slice that up as well and put it on the grill. There we go. Since we got all this grilling surface, we might as well add some vegetables. Of course, we can crispen up some bread. The pork is about done, so we're taking it off.
I forgot my camera.
Morrison, come on man, don't mess up the shot. So we're taking off the Iberico Secreto, and I want to build up my plate to make sure it looks really good. Look at this, look at the salmon. Look at, I can move it, it's super non-stick. So if I turn it around, it doesn't stick to the grill grate. Look at that. You got a nice crust on the outside, and it's going to be super juicy on the inside. Oh, I said it again. And look at all these juices. Look at all the fat here on the edge. We're not going to put that to waste. We're going to turn the bread nice and crisp, full with flavor.
So this is for the workers, right?
Yes, it is.
So can't we do a tiny little taste test?
Of course we can. We need to. We need to do a taste test. It's already an hour past lunchtime, so why not? We rested it. We'll slice one. There we go. Oh. This is really good. I love Iberico Secreto. This is nice, right? The bread is not burning. Come on, man. Your camera is not working properly.
What's that?
What is what?
What's that?
This.
Yes.
This is rustic. They call it rustic barbecue, brother. No, don't go there. You make sure you keep that camera in check. I'll check on the bread. Salmon is ready. Vegetables, yeah, don't forget about those. Now people always ask me what is the best way to clean your grill, and with this one, it's so super easy. There you go. Almost clean. You just scrape it off, straight into the fire, and you're done. Now we'll start to dress up our plate. We'll start with a little bit of dill on the salmon. You want to make sure you keep your dill fresh. It will turn soft very easily in hot weather. A little bit of basil on our tomatoes, and Morrison's favorite, grated Parmesan. A squeeze of lemon on the Iberico, and it's done. We're looking good. Time to call in the crowd. Or Morrison, do you want to taste the salmon first before everybody takes it? Oh, look at that. It falls apart. It's so flaky and juicy on the inside. Look at that. Let's quickly eat it before they come. We'll take the other half as well. They can't mind. They don't know about it. If you don't know, it never happened. Look at this beautiful plate of food. We created a feast. The old fire did a beautiful job at creating this splatter. Time to get our people in. Time to feed the workers. Say hi to your mama. Hi mama.
Hi there.
Gerber, kom er maar bij.
Heerlijk.
Tomaten. Ik heb ook tomaat voor jou. Ik wou je niet laten schrikken te veel.
Oh, lekker.
Salm, dit is Iberico.
Ga niet iedere dag.
Nee toch?
Nee.
Cheers guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the food.
Yeah, it was terrific.
Nice, always good to hear. So a big thank you to our patrons and our YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling. Cheers.